Hi folks, welcome to Camperagent TV. I have another van walkthrough for you. Today we're going to check out the Highclere 22-foot double bunk. Let's take a look. Alright, so let's start at the front here folks. All the standard cabling you expect on a caravan nowadays, so 12-pin flat, Anderson plug, reverse camera plug. You got your gas bottles, of course your 6-inch chassis. At the front here we do have a toolbox. Moving around, you have your all the way through tunnel boot. It goes all the way through, great for storage options on the outside of your caravan there. Under here, you have a gas bayonet. Going around, you've actually got 3 awning lights on these for caravans as well, which I think is quite handy. It's well illuminated on this side of the van, so you can enjoy the outside of your caravan as well as the inside. Moving around, we've got external speakers, external cable plugs here as well. So you've got 240 volt plug and 12 volt and the aerial plug, as well as a pull down picnic table. Very handy. Now through here is your external storage, which is under the bunk on the inside. So you can access this from either outside here or on the inside, which is quite handy. It gives you more flexible options when you're putting stuff in there for storage and being able to access it either way. Moving around the van, we've got a 3-prong heavy duty rear bumper, spare tyre, reverse camera up there. Move around the van, we have an aeroplane going overhead, which is always great when you're doing a video. And down here you have your external, your batteries are on the outside, which is quite handy. Let's go take a look on the inside. And here we are folks, inside the caravan. Now I've had a little bit of a wardrobe change and a little bit of a shave since I was outside, so just ignore that part. Continuity and all that stuff, don't worry about it. Anyway, let's focus on the van. We are inside the Highclere 22-foot with a double bunker here, so I'm going to take you through the whole thing and show you it. I love the colours in here. I mean, at first glance, you're just taken by the colours and the build quality, all amazing, which you come to expect from a good quality manufacturer like this. But let's look around the van. So come over this way, Mr. Cameraman, or as I call him, Harry. So over here you have the bed. Of course, in a caravan, this is a queen size bed, 5 foot wide. As you come to expect with all caravans nowadays, you have wardrobes either side of the bed, and these awesome little cutouts here as well, which are great to put your book in at night time or whatever you need right next to your bedside. And there's actually 2 240 volt plugs in there as well. Either side of the bed, you do have pull-out drawer and a little cupboard down there too. You've got plenty of wardrobe space and cupboard space above the bed too. You've got these little the cupboards over here as well, which are great for socks and jocks and all the good stuff like that. Under the bed, plenty of storage under there too. So you've even got a little access door here too. Coming around to this area, now we're going into the dining area of course, and great, quite a long L-shaped couch here. This is an adjustable table too, which you can manipulate to wherever you'd like it to be to get out of the way, or move it to if you're playing cards with somebody or whatever you'd like to do there, you can actually move that around nice and easy. Two-tone colouring, I love the two-tone colouring on this as well. It's all very nice. Reading lights of course above there. Now there are little USBs under here. Not a lot of people know about this, but there's little USBs under there, which is quite handy because you can charge your tablets, your phones, and anything that's USB powered, plug it straight in, away you go. So another really cool feature there. Now let's move around to the actual cooking areas. Under here, you got your full oven of course with cooktop and grill. It's 1 hot plate, 3 gas. And of course, grill, oven, beautiful. Now this is another cool feature. Right inside the door here, hopefully you can't hear the rain because it's a horrible day here in Adelaide today, but anyway, let's keep going. Over here, right in front of the door, right next to the door I should say, is this really cool pantry. Great access from outside, so if you're cooking up a storm outside, cooking your tomahawk steaks, whatever you might be doing there, you can just pull open that door, grab your seasoning and away you go. So I think that's a very cool feature right there. But also, you also have access from the front here too. You pull out that pantry and yeah, I think it's a really good idea. You've got your sinks, so black taps, black sink, microwave, all standard nowadays in these caravans. Of course, you've got your piano hinges up here, well-made cupboards, love the cupboard space in this. Of course, you've got your range hood right there. Over here, you have your 2-door fridge. Moving through here, this is where the double bunks are. They've got a nice little cutout ladder here. If you can see that there, Mr. Cameraman. Let me just flip that outside for you. So you got your little ladder there, so it's easy for the top bunk child to get up there. Very well-sized bunks. So I might even hop in one shortly just to show you that I can fit in there. I'm just a slight under 6 foot, and even I can sleep in one of these bunks. Up in the top corner, you do have 240-volt plugs up there, as well as the reading light, which also has that USB feature that I mentioned earlier. So what I'm going to do, I want to attempt to get in this bottom bunk here, so bear with me.
A few moments later.
I don't know if this is a great angle, but here I am. I could very easily take a little nap in here, so which I might just do. So Harry, if you just get out, I'm going to have a little nap. Now, no time for napping. I've got work to do. I've got to sell these vans. These vans, in fact, I think they might just sell themselves though. But very impressive. So that's the bunks. There are also back here, there are little sleeves. You can keep magazines or tablets or whatever the kids are going to take with them in there. Now, here I am on the top bunk. I just wanted to prove to people out there that a full-grown adult, allegedly is what I am, can actually sleep on this top bunk. Now, as I said, I'm just shy of 6 foot. I weigh 80 odd kilos, let's just say. Don't look at my belly as I lay down. And I'm very comfortable on this top bunk here. So there you go. Just wanted to prove all the haters out there that it is definitely possible. Now through here, I'll try and keep out the way. Great little wardrobe space or shelf space here for more storage. Handy little drawer. And then in here, of course, you have your front load washing machine. The other good thing about this length of caravan, you can fit a really good size ensuite in a caravan of this size. So if we sneak into here, you can see once again black taps, which looks great throughout the whole van. Got your toilet there, it's where you poop, of course. You got little cupboards up here, great for storage of all your toiletries. Then through here is your shower. Once again, black taps everywhere. It looks great. Now, as I said, I'm just shy of 6 foot. And I weigh 70 kilos, plus tax, plus GST, plus a few other little bits and pieces there, but let's ignore that. As you can see, plenty of room in the shower here. So with the black taps, it looks great. The shower height is adjustable too, which I don't think I've ever touched on before, but the shower height is adjustable. So if you're a little bit taller, plenty of room. But as your little loved ones get in here, you can bring it down to their level too. So another great feature, so lovely. So there it is, folks. There's the Highclere 22-foot double bunk caravan. I'm so excited to show you this one. This has solar panels, this has batteries, this has air conditioner, has a whole heap of extra features that I just couldn't touch on in this video. So I'd absolutely recommend to give us a call today on 8285-5000 and let's have a talk through it, because there's so many things I'd love to show you on this van. Or the other option is come out and see us at 750 Port Wakefield Road, Powerful Gardens. We'd love to show you through this one in person. The team is ready to go and they're ready to show you all the awesome features on this caravan. So make sure you come out and see us. Thanks for watching, folks.